Before you start using your brain for high-focus work, studying, problem-solving, or creative thinking, it's important to prime it first. Your brain functions like a high-performance engine. If you start it cold, you waste energy and reduce efficiency. But if you warm it up intentionally, focus, memory, and clarity increase dramatically. In this session, I'll guide you through 5 scientifically proven exercises that prepare your brain for optimal performance each day. Welcome to Savvyverse, where smart learning becomes second nature. First, let's explore visual priming. Close your eyes for a moment and visualize your day. Picture yourself moving through it calmly, completing your most important tasks, and thinking clearly. Visualization activates the brain's prefrontal cortex and motor areas, the same regions involved in planning and execution. By rehearsing success mentally, you train your brain to recognize and follow that pathway in reality. Spend 60 seconds each morning visualizing the outcomes you want to achieve. Make the images detailed, the sights, the sounds, and the sense of calm accomplishment. Next, we move to pattern spotting. Open your eyes and scan your surroundings. Look for patterns, colors, shapes, or numbers that repeat. This engages the parietal and occipital regions of your brain, areas responsible for visual processing and pattern recognition. By doing this, you sharpen your attention and observational accuracy before diving into complex tasks. Spend 1 minute identifying 5 patterns in your environment. This exercise tunes your brain's ability to detect structure and organize information more effectively. Now, for spatial memory activation. Think of a place you know very well, perhaps your room or your house. Now, imagine walking through it and mentally place 3 things you want to remember today in specific spots. This technique, known as the method of loci or memory palace, engages your hippocampus, the brain's navigation and memory hub. Activating it strengthens both spatial reasoning and recall. Before you begin your work or study session, visualize your to-do items placed around your mental space. You'll find they come to mind naturally later in the day. Next, focus breathing. Now, regulate your focus through controlled breathing. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 2, and exhale slowly for 6. Slow breathing activates the vagus nerve, which calms your nervous system and enhances oxygen flow to the brain. This improves cognitive control and stress resilience, essential for complex mental work. 2 to 3 rounds are enough. You'll notice your mind quieting and your focus tightening within minutes. Finally, the curiosity trigger. Ask yourself one simple question. What's something I'd genuinely like to understand today? Curiosity stimulates dopamine release, the neurotransmitter that drives motivation and engagement. When you begin your day with curiosity, your brain becomes more receptive to new information and problem solving. Write your question down or say it aloud. Keep it in mind throughout the day. It gives your attention a natural direction. You've just activated the 5 key systems that govern learning and focus: visualization, perception, memory, regulation, and motivation. Doing this warm-up each morning takes less than 5 minutes, yet it prepares your brain to operate at its full potential. This is mental conditioning, not just for today, but for lifelong cognitive strength. If you found this valuable, subscribe to Savvyverse, where we explore the science of learning, focus, and intelligent living. Your brain is now ready. Let's begin the day with clarity and purpose.